Good morning, fam! And nandito kami ni Kuya Davon ngayon sa bahay. Pero naka-get up kami, fam. Kasi ang gagawin namin today ay pupunta kami ng Studio Bell, downtown Calgary. So, pwede namin itong gawin today kasi si Kuya Davon ay walang school at parang may teacher's conference. So, ako naman, nag-leave na ako for today para maka-explore kami around the city. And of course, bonding na rin natin, di ba? Parang father and son bonding naman. Prep lang tayo, baba na tayo. It's actually lunchtime na rin. So nag-lunch na rin kami at dire-diretso lang kaming bumiyahe. And of course, since our Kuya Davon is really exploring, nag-request talaga siya, Daddy, could we ride the train? So yun ang gagawin natin, fam. Pupunta tayo, magdadrive tayo, pupunta tayo sa isang malapit na train station dito sa amin. And then magte-train tayo, going to Studio Bell. Okay, so alis na tayo and samahan niyo ulit kami for today. Ayan, fam, so nag-request si Kuya ang magdala daw ng snacks. So meron kaming bread pan, meron kaming handsome, and meron kaming butter. So ayan, tapok na namin. Are you ready to go for an adventure with Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, very. Ayan, fam. So, na-prep ko na yung bag. And, kumuha na rin ako ng water dito. Kasi nga, magte-train tayo, fam. So, papark lang natin to nearby na train station. Tawag ata, Crosswind train station. May superstore dito. And then, after that, magte-train na tayo. Going to downtown. Para ma-experience ni Kuya ang mag-train. Gustong-gusto niya yan eh. Hi fam! Dito na kami sa parking. I'm with Kuya Davon. Tingin nga ako ng sugat mo. Ayan, band 8 na lang nilalagay. Oh, it's cold! Dito kami sa Westwind pala ang pangalan. Westwind train station. So nandito yan sa northeast. And look at that. Laki ng parking nila dito. Ayan, may Ontario plate pa talaga oh. Okay, so let's go. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakalabas para din akong bata, fam. Kasi work from home nga. So, minsan-minsan lang din na makapunta ng downtown, sakay ng train, sakay ng bus. So, okay. Ito na. Let's go. Are you having fun? Doon, usok. Are you having fun? Tuwa si Kuya. Correct. It's better there. When we move there, it's gonna be better. Lapit na tayo, fam. Next station tayo. City Hall. Tower. Calgary Tower. Station tayo, fam. Dito na kami sa train station ulit, City Hall train station. So malapit lang yung lakad, 5 minutes away lang. Kasama ko si Kuya Davon. Nag-adventure ang magtatay eh. At isa to sa sikat pala dito na college, Bow Valley College. Ka-apply ko kaya si Mami dito. Pwede mag-professor si Mami kasi dito eh. Kasi college to eh. So, there you go, fam. Enjoy lang natin yung view dito. Yeah. Nag-yellow naman dito yung nilalakaran namin.
Daddy, I'm gonna be yellow.
Ay, lamig daw. It's cold. It's cold. And I think ito yung public library, fam. I'm not too sure really. Pero ayun yung pupuntahan namin. Studio Bell. Kamay lang ni Kuya Davon. Are you having fun?
Yeah. Oh, this is cold, cold.
It's just cold. Yan. Okay. Lakad lang tayo. Come on. Dito ka, Daddy.
Cold.
Actually, fam, pwede naman kami magsasakyan. Pero lagi kasi nasa sasakyan. So, para naman maiba, parang may adventure ng konti, diba? You know, lapit lang. Ooh. Ayan nga, ito nga ang public library, fam. Dito last time pumunta sina Kuya, sina Mami, and my sister. So dito naman tayo sa kabila. Look at that Studio Bell.
Bump your head in the ground
Ganda.
first, and then your hands, and then your legs.
Laki niya, oh.
Never.
You pinned it here. There. Wow, ganda. Kuya, they have a play lab over there. Do you wanna go and play first? Yeah, it's really nice.
I wanna go here.
Right, fam, start na natin ang tour. Yan, oh, ganda. Dito pa lang. Ang labas niya, downtown. Nice stairs. First time namin dito, fam. So, sama kayo kung hindi pa rin kayo nakakapunta dito. Again, this is Studio Bell Museum here in Calgary. Bale, focus siya more on the music. Okay. Wow! Huge amphitheater. Ganda. It's Jamie Hill and Tamilian Powers. Made in Canada stage. Haha, nice. Ganda oh. Yeah, you can try it, kuya. If you want to. You need to wear, yeah. You need to wear all the music, okay? Alanis Morissette, Shania Twain, Celine Dion, Avril Lavigne. Dito kami sa section na soundscapes ang tawag nila. May iba-ibang sounds. Hindi naririnig niyo pa. Let's go to the next floor. Look at that view. Parang likod lang to ng downtown. Okay, let's go, kuya. Music and wellness section. Here, dito tayo. Ganda fam, oh. Music and wellness.
Not comparable to music.
Done with that section. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang section. Sound effects. Dito na si kuya. Ano, grabe mga equipments dito. How awesome. Happy. Pick happy. Yeah. Yeah, that one. Wow. Ito naman parang bamboo organ. The Kimball Theater Organ. Meron kami niyan, bamboo organ. Ayan pa. Cool.
Give you the range of an orchestra, so replicating some things the best they can too. So we've got like some horn section kind of.
We have Star Wars. Star Wars theme song pa. Is that cool? Pink Panther. And fam, nandito na kami sa taas. 5th floor ba to? Look at this architecture. Sobrang ganda. Studio Bell here in Calgary. Bisita kayo dito if you guys are music lovers. Mag-enjoy kayo. Ayan ang hinahanap ni Kuya, yung drums. Just go and get one. Go, go, go. nice guitars dito, fam. Ganda. And look at this guitar. Ganda, oh. Epiphone. This is a nice guitar, kuya. Celine Dion. And fam, ang kulit, oh. Dead Mouse outfit.
No, it's a dead move.
Dead Mouse, Dead Moose, Dead Mouse 5. Of course, Celine Dion. Paul Anka. Bryan Adams. I do it for you. Chrissy Drake. And the idol of most girls before, Alanis Morissette.
Daddy.
And yung isa pa, fam, Sarah McLachlan. And there you go, fam. Alanis Morissette. We're crossing the Sky Bridge. Ganda ng daan-daan. May snow effect. East Village Sky Bridge. So, dito lang kami ni Kuya Davan, just enjoying this view for a while. Ayan, so thanks sa pagsama sa amin, fam. At nakapag-bonding din kami ng aking big boy after nga nung disgrasya niya and accident niya. So he's getting better, really better. Nag-dry up na rin yung sugat niya. Pero meron talagang mark, feeling ko, na matitira. But then gagawin na lang namin ang lahat para mag-improve, mag-lighten kung ano mang mark yun. Thanks again sa pagsama sa amin, and we always appreciate you guys watching.
Look.
Hello, fam! So nandito na kami sa parking ulit dito sa LRT West Wind. So park and go talaga usually dito ang mga tao. So yan, punong-puno. Pero pauwi na rin ang mga tao. And of course kami din. So dadaan lang kami siguro ng Pizza Hut, fam, para treat ko si Kuya. Kanyang day off sa school. So that's all, fam, and salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Again, nagiging mabuti na yung sugat ni Kuya. Band-aid na lang yung nakalagay. So thanks always for watching, fam. And we really appreciate yung lahat ng mga nagbibigay ng dasal at ng mga payo. Actually, ang daming suggestions kung paano tanggalin ang sugat ni Kuya. So thank you. And again, dun sa 70% ng hindi pa nakasubscribe sa amin, if you like this Buhay Canada contents, please subscribe, and we're going to be updated as always almost every day. So thanks again for watching, fam, and I'll see you on the next video. Hang loose.